Open Settings on your Android phone. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and disconnect from current Wi-Fi. Then switch the screen to Android Auto mode. Find the screen's Bluetooth name on your phone. And pair with it. Allow access to messages. Please wait while your phone connects to the screen. This may take around 2 seconds to 2 minutes. In your phone's Bluetooth settings, make sure call and audio permissions are enabled for the screen. To disconnect Android Auto, turn off your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Switch the screen to Miracast mode. On your phone, find the screen mirroring feature. On Samsung phones, this feature is called Smart View and can be found in the connected devices. Select the device's name shown on the screen and pair with it. Please note, Android Auto and Miracast cannot be used at the same time. With Miracast, you can mirror your Android phone screen directly to the display. Full screen display depends on whether the app supports landscape mode. Use Wi-Fi video with the screen. Switch the screen to Wi-Fi video mode. To use this feature, download the Vigere app from the Google Play first. Follow the steps to add the screen's dashcam. Find the screen's Wi-Fi network and connect using the password. With this feature, you can also view the dashcam's live recording directly on your Android phone in real time. You can connect the screen's dashcam to your phone and easily play back, download, or share recorded videos.